Hi, I'm Dr. Sandhu. I am the doctor and owner at Tricity Smiles Dentistry. The way we do dentistry here is a little bit different. Every patient is carefully examined, properly diagnosed, and clearly informed so that there are no surprises later. We focus on ongoing care and prevention, so patients come back for regular checkups, not repeat problems. I studied dentistry at CMC Ludhiana and then went to the US to train at USC and the University of California, San Francisco. These experiences really shaped how I think about dentistry and the kind of practice I wanted to build for my community. Everything in our clinic is helped to make your visit as comfortable and straightforward as possible. From online booking, paperless forms, to digital x-rays and impressions, and even nitrous sedation to help you feel a little more relaxed. We use modern technology to make things more clear for you, so you are able to see and understand what we're discussing, whether it's Invisalign, crowns, implants, or even smile design. But what truly matters to me is how we treat our patients. I try to treat every patient the same way I would expect to be treated, with trust, respect, and transparency. Going to the dentist can be stressful, and it really helps when the dentist takes the time to know you, not just your teeth. So if you're looking for thoughtful, prevention-focused dentistry that's going to save you time, money, and future anxiety, and it is built for better long-term results, we would be happy to welcome you to our Tricity Smiles family.